Hi guys, welcome back to another premiere. Today we want a very quick and easy, simple, delicious weekend recipe. So you can see a lovely, lovely feast in front of you. Okay, just sit back and let us get straight into it. So first of all, we're going to put some oil, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and chili powder, which is totally optional, to a bowl, and we're going to blend this together. As you can see in the video, it's blended really nice. Then we get our cauliflower and we're going to cut the two side parts off, and then we cut in the middle a nice big chunk, more like a bacon size chunk. Then the mixture that we did earlier on in the bowl, we're going to use it and we're going to smother the cauliflower into it. Make sure it gets into every creases and corners of it, and then we're going to put it aside and start with our main part of this recipe, which is the salmon fish. So we're just going to cut a part of it and put it aside. We're not going to use all of it because this is just a lunch. I was making it for lunch when I did this recipe. And we're going to use a cookie cutter just to cut on top of the salmon so we get that burger looking type, size of salmon out of it. I wake up in the morning, the sun shines. So there you can see I get a nice round burger looking size of salmon, and then we're gonna dry it to make sure that we have as little as possible liquid inside of it, and then we use the same sauce to smother it also. Now we're gonna go straight into the cooking. So in a pan, I'm using my Jane Patry grilling pan. We put the cauliflower with a little bit of oil and we toast the cauliflower. It's more like toasting, not roasting. And we toast it on both sides. And there you see me again adding some more of that sauce on the other side to make sure both sides are smothered in the sauce. After toasting, we're going to remove the cauliflower and put it aside. Now we go straight in the same pan with our salmon, and we're gonna press it because we want the salmon to cook right through. We don't want to be eating any raw fish here. Nope, we're gonna press it so it can cook right through. And it literally takes about 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. And there you go. So now you can see what I'm making here. What is a burger without lettuce? So we go ahead and we had some chopped lettuce. I had some pickled onions, and of course our mayonnaise. And I'm using two different type of mayonnaise. I use the ranch mayonnaise and the regular garlic mayonnaise. And yes, with our tomatoes, we put it together and look at our burger. Now we're just gonna cut this baby up and have a nice eating time together. Come on, guys, what are you waiting for? Join in and let's eat together. I'm thinking of you. From the very first bite to the very last bite was so delicious, and it was so filling. Honestly, I wanted to eat all of it, but I only managed to eat half of it because it was so filling. So this is really filling and healthy. One to try if you're even trying to go on a weight loss journey. It's made up of mostly vegetables and fish. Why not give it a try? And as I always say, my recipe is just as much as your recipe. And at this junction, I want to use this opportunity to give a shout out to all my members. I want to thank you so much for joining my membership. And we also want to welcome our Bertier on board and Testy Love. Thank you guys for joining my membership. They're coming from Facebook and join my membership here on YouTube. And I really appreciate you guys. Until I come again, I'm Cooking and More, saying thank you for watching and God bless, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.